Check out these amazing results from the Shutter New Wipe On. This is amazing for restoring your vinyl, plastic, metal, fiberglass, ceramic materials. Now, I used it here on my shutters, and look at the difference. I did not do the top half yet, but I did do the bottom half. It's very bright outside right now. I'm hoping the difference is visible here, but I'm gonna get a little bit closer just so you can kind of see the difference here. So I stopped about halfway, not a perfect line across, but it is revitalized. It looks so much better than the top half that I didn't use. I'm going to show you how easy it is. First, you want to prep the spot by wiping it clean. Better even if you do it ahead of time and you are able to spray it, wash it, and then let it dry. Then you're able to take your Shutter Renew Wipe On, and you're just able to spray it. I give it enough to kind of get it well covered. And then you take the microfiber cloth that is included. I like to kind of go in the direction of the grain of the vinyl. My material is vinyl here, and able to just wipe it. Make sure you're getting in between every area so that everything is well wiped and covered. Now, this is going to do three things here. It is both restoring part of the original color. It's conditioning it so that it can withstand the outside weather conditions, and it's also protecting it from continual fading. So now this whole shutter is renewed. Now, this one bottle is enough. This is an 8-ounce bottle. This is enough for about a 12 shutter home, which is what I've got with my house. So this one bottle is enough to restore my entire household shutters. And looking at how much I used, I mean, I could go back and do probably 2 coats and still have enough. I'm going to do all of the shutters once, and then I'm going to go back. If I still have enough, then I'll do a second coat on all of them, which from the looks of it, I think I'll have enough. So I'm very impressed by this. You can even use this on car, like your bumper, some type of materials that you want to use to restore it. Instead of replacing your shutters, just get this. Instead of spending thousands of dollars on brand new shutters and time and money and resources, this one bottle will get the job done. It does have quite fantastic results. Highly recommend it. Try it out. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.